In the 18th century, as the dreaded smallpox ravaged Europe and the American colonies, fear and desperation gripped the hearts of many. The disease, a virulent and devastating affliction, left scars both physical and emotional on those who survived, and claimed the lives of countless others. In this era, a beacon of hope emerged in the form of inoculation, a practice that had long been used in Africa and Asia. It was a technique that harnessed the power of the disease itself, using a small amount of infected matter to stimulate the immune system, thus providing immunity. Enter Dr. Edward Jenner, a country physician from Gloucestershire, England. In 1796, he made a groundbreaking discovery, that cows carried a related virus, and that milkmaids who contracted this virus were immune to smallpox. This revelation sparked an idea, a bold idea that would change the course of history. With unwavering determination, Jenner set out to test his theory. He took matter from a cowpox sore and injected it into the arm of an 8-year-old boy named James Phipps. 10 days later, when Jenner exposed the boy to smallpox, he remained unaffected. The experiment was a success, marking the birth of vaccination. News of Jenner's discovery spread rapidly, reaching the ears of King George III. Impressed, the king granted Jenner a royal pension, and the practice of vaccination was endorsed by the British government. The first large-scale vaccination campaign was launched, with Jenner himself leading the charge. The campaign was met with resistance, as many were wary of the unknown. However, the devastating toll of smallpox soon won over the skeptics. As word of the safety and efficacy of vaccination spread, more and more people lined up to protect themselves and their families. By the end of the century, smallpox was virtually eradicated in England, a testament to the power of science and human resilience. The practice of vaccination continued to spread, eventually eradicating smallpox globally in 1980. The smallpox inoculation campaign of the 18th century marked a turning point in history, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and determination in the face of a seemingly insurmountable threat. It serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can be found, and that the human spirit, when united, can overcome the most formidable of challenges.